What if I told you that you can generate cinematic AI videos for free? No limits, no subscriptions? Because yeah, most tools like Grok or others are now paid or heavily restricted. But in this video, I'll show you a hidden AI video generator that still gives you massive free credits and how to use it step by step. Though it doesn't give you unlimited access directly, but I will share a trick to use it for free without any limits. Before we jump in, make sure to subscribe if you want more AI tools, tutorials, and viral content ideas. Now let's get into it. First, head over to the website, link is in the description. Ignore everything and click on Sign Up to create an account first. Now enter email, username, and password, or just continue with Google account. Once you're in, click on Try to enter the dashboard. You'll land inside this interface where all the magic happens. Now go to the media section. Here you can see video generation and image generation. We are mainly looking for video generation, so let's check it out first. There are different models for video generation. Let's use Seedance 1.5 Pro. Now, for video settings, let's click here. You can configure many things like ratio, resolution, duration, and video quantity. I am selecting 16:9 ratio and 720p resolution, keeping everything else as it is. We can also generate with sound, so let's keep it on. Now let's enter a short prompt. A cinematic drone shot of a futuristic city at sunset. All the prompts used in this video are in this doc, which you can find in the video description. Now click Generate, and just like that, your AI video is ready. You'll notice smooth motion, high quality visuals, even generated sound effects. Honestly, for a free tool, this is insane. Let's create another video. For this, I am copying the second prompt in the doc and pasting it here. I am just changing the video duration to 12 seconds. Then hit the generate button, and boom. Again, a very good quality video is generated. Now here's where it gets powerful. Instead of random generations, you can control the video using images. Go to Image Generation, create an image using a prompt, or upload your own. Configure the settings as you need, generate and download it. Now go back to video generation and upload that image as the first frame. Use the same or similar prompt and generate again. Now your video will follow that exact visual style, way more consistent and realistic. Want even better results? Use both a start frame and an end frame. Upload both into the video generator. Then you can add a prompt to describe the scene and generate. This is the result. This is perfect for storytelling, transitions, and viral short videos. Now the part you've been waiting for. Here's how to use it unlimited for free. Each AI model comes with its own credits. That means you can switch between models and keep generating. In total, you get millions of credits across models. And if you want even more, go to Temp Mail and create a new mail address when you end up using all the credits. Just create a new account with a new email and repeat the process as much as you need. Yes, it's that simple. So now you know how to create high-quality AI videos completely free without relying on expensive tools. If you found this helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more AI tutorials and viral strategies. See you in the next one.